Hi everybody, and Candy Grand Prix. I know you'll get around to seeing this down there in New Orleans. I watched one of your last shorts and you sort of looked up at the sky and said it looks like rain, and I just now pulled this up on the internet, my other phone, but looks like you're good. No rain for the next 9 days. I think I hear a helicopter going to the hospital. You can see it sort of land. They always land different. But Candy, you really do need to apologize to Angie Peterson. That was a horrific thing to say to her. I've never heard nothing like that in my life. And you know good and well what happened to her, son. You need to look deep in that heart if there's any left. And be sure and tell Sticky and the gang hi.